have to pick one. You want to do fishy? Okay, wait. Let's put him on here, okay? Remember how to do this? No? Remember? Come here, I take these. We're done with these for now. Now, remember you put your colors into the colors where they go. See, there's red, yellow, there's blue. Get your blue ones. Yep. Find all the blue ones. Very good. Find all the blue ones there. Very good. That's good. There's some more. There's a little more blue, though. You want to do some more blue? Finish the blue. Where's the blue? Go slow. Oh boy, that's good. I see one more blue. I see one more.
Okay.
Where is it? That's right. That is right.
So why?
Oh my gosh, that's good.
Oh no.
All done. Yeah, you got all your blue in there. What do you want to do next? Very good. What do you want to do next?
More blue.
Well, they're all done blue. You see, we're all done with the blues. Now, what do you want to do? Want to do red, or do you want to do yellow? You choose. Okay, can I do a red one?
Okay.
Good. Good job. I can do one red. Okay, well, thank you. Now you do it. Your turn.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good.
Very good. You are so good at pictures.
Yes.
And now, no more blues. Remember, we're going to do, let's see, it looks like we've got some more reds and yellows, I think. Yeah, reds and yellows. Oh, yeah, that's right there. That's right. That's good. Oh, another red, yep. More red. You've got a lot more red to do. Oh, I love it. Very good. Do some more. Do some more. Finish your picture. Are you all done? I know, no more blue, but I see more yellow. I see lots of yellow. Let's count how many more yellow. Okay, we've got, let's see, how many more yellow? There's one. There's one. Good. Okay. And there's two. Two. Yep, that's good. And then there's another one. Yay. We're another one right there. Three. That's good. Very good. And then there is number 4. And number, very good, 5. 5, yay. And then I see 3 more. I see 3 more. 3 more yellow. 1. Oh, that's so good. 3. Oh my gosh, you're almost done. I see 2 more. 2 more. Colors. What color? Yes, 1. One more. Daddy, see, look at my fish I made.
Beautiful.
That is a pretty fishy, Nina. Look at your fishy.